Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and here's another review of an IPO for BioLingus Cayman Limited, which will be trading under ticker symbol SUBL on the NASDAQ Stock Exchange and will be IPOing on January 31st, 2024. But before we begin, I want to remind you that if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description, and we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. On the week of January 15th, we called out PHUN before its parabolic run up 520%. We also called out MIMO back on January 12th and pre-market on January 17th before its parabolic run up 417%. We're just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we use candlestick patterns, how we read those critical levels, how to read those key levels and critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. BioLingus is a special type of limited liability biotechnology company based in the Cayman Islands. The company acts as a holding company, and most of its business activities happen through its subsidiaries in Switzerland and, to a lesser extent, in Hong Kong, China, and Australia. BioLingus is specifically working on a way to deliver peptides and proteins orally, especially under the tongue. Sublingual delivery, that is. One of the main substances they use for this is exenatide, a product used to treat type 2 diabetes. In the early stages, when they were experimenting with exenatide, they found that the sublingual dose under the tongue needed to be about 200 times more than the injectable dose to have a similar effect. But after a lot of hard work and development, over 2 to 3 years, they managed to reduce this ratio to 5 to 10. Now, BioLingus has a collection of formulations and knowledge called the BioLingus platform on how to design these formulations for better performance. The company was founded in 2012. Now, let's turn our attention to the IPO details. BioLingus Cayman Limited is offering 360,000 shares in its initial public offering, and the IPO stock price has been set at $20. Now, with these numbers, the deal size is expected to be around $7.2 million. Investors will have the opportunity to participate in the growth and potential of BioLingus Cayman Limited as it expands its operations and continues to innovate in the healthcare industry. Now, please note, we are not stock professionals, nor are we stock advisors or financial planners, guys, and we encourage all of you to always do your own due diligence before purchasing anything in the stock market. I personally might not pre-buy this stock. However, I will be watching the price action on it closely. Although it is a Hong Kong affiliated IPO, which tends to be the flavor of the day in the IPO world, the price point of $20 is much higher than the price range that I like to pre-order IPOs at. I prefer Chinese IPOs, which are usually between $4 to $6 per share. Again, not stock advice, folks, so do your own due diligence now. You do you. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. It's Double Moms, and I'll see all of you again on the flip side.